In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable camera on Google Chrome. If your camera isn't working in Chrome or a site can't see it, it usually comes down to permissions. Chrome protects your privacy by asking before a site can use your camera. You can allow it on the spot when prompted or manage it in Chrome's settings. I'll walk you through both options on a computer, whether you're on Windows or Mac. Let's start with the quickest approach, allowing the camera when a site asks. Open Google Chrome and go to a website that needs your camera, such as a video meeting or recording site like Google Meet. As the page loads, Chrome should display a small permission prompt near the top of the window, close to the address bar. It will ask if the site can use your camera. Click Allow. That's it. You've now granted camera access to that specific site, and it should start working immediately. If you previously clicked Block by mistake, don't worry. You can fix it using the settings method I'll show next. Now let's enable camera access through Chrome's settings, which is helpful if you don't see a prompt or want more control. Open Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings. In the left sidebar, select Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Find and open the camera section. Here, make sure the option labeled Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera is turned on. This setting ensures you'll see permission prompts whenever a site wants access. If there are websites listed under blocked that you actually want to use your camera on, remove them from the blocked list. That clears the restriction so the site can request access again. When you're done, return to the site and refresh the page so the changes take effect. A quick recap. The fastest fix is to visit the site and click Allow when Chrome asks to use your camera. If you don't get a prompt or you've blocked a site in the past, go into Settings, then Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Camera. Turn on Sites Can Ask to Use Your Camera, remove any sites you don't want blocked, and refresh the page. With these steps, you control exactly which sites can use your camera, keeping things both convenient and secure. Follow along as needed, pause to make changes, and once you refresh, your camera should be good to go in Google Chrome.